like in next. No, oh, there's no books in here yet. See? No books. Here's the books right here. So I'm assuming how to go to sleep up. This is gonna be a quick thing. It's gonna be a quick something down. Not the still have to go to sleep. Let's see. Well, I want to show you guys this because it's really long. I had like almost like 10, 5 benches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I had 8 inches. Got that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this video and make sure you put the like on it and subscribe. And now I'll make another one later on. So bye. And if you guys want this, it's free. It's on that. Go to the Amazon and type in nothing. You'll see this called Elimination X Shop. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.